Dulcosoft is a medical device with Macrogol of high molecular weight for natural relief from constipation. It leads to regular bowel movements and softens hard stools. Macrogol is an ingredient with high water absorption capacity and leads to an increased amount of water in the colon. This way it softens hard stools and decreases their volume. This leads to increased bowel motility and facilitates defecation with a feeling of natural relief from the symptoms of constipation. It has a neutral taste for easy consumption and can be mixed with any beverage, hot or cold, water, juice or tea. It does not contain gluten, sugar and is suitable for people who follow a low-sodium diet. How to use. Take dissolved in a liquid of your choice, approximately 150 ml, preferably as a single dose in the morning. Use within 6 weeks after opening the bottle. Recommended dosage. Adults and children over 8 years old, 20 to 40 ml. Children 4 to 8 years old, 16 to 32 ml. Children 2 to 4 years old, 8 to 16 ml. The dose is adjusted according to each person's needs. The correct dose is the lowest dose leading to regular bowel movements and soft stools. Contraindications. It does not contain gluten and sugar, to be taken by children under 8 years of age, only when asked by their pediatrician. It is safe during pregnancy and breastfeeding. It is suitable for people with diabetes and people who follow a low-sodium diet. Cautions. Avoid taking in cases of hypersensitivity to Macrogol, severe inflammatory bowel disease, ulcerative colitis, Crohn's disease, colitis, obstruction or narrowing of the digestive tract, painful abdominal syndromes. It is should not taken on a regular daily basis for a period of more than 3 months. People with impaired liver, heart or kidney function, electrolyte disturbances, edema and those taking diuretics should not take it without medical advice. Overdose can cause vomiting, severe diarrhea, abdominal pain, abdominal distension, flatulence and loss of fluids and electrolytes, symptoms which subside when treatment is stopped. Side effects. The following is a list of possible side effects that may occur from all constituent ingredients of Dulcosoft powder for all solution. This is not a comprehensive list. The side effects are possible, but do not always occur. Some of the side effects may be rare but serious. Consult a doctor if you observe any of the following side effects, especially if they do not go away: abdominal pain, diarrhea, feeling sick, vomiting, swelling or bloating of the abdomen, flatulence, anal discomfort, headache,